rewrite rational algebraic equation to quadratic equation in standard form. For number 2, we have 5 over x squared equals 1 over x squared plus x minus 3 over x. In this case, we cannot directly cross multiply the given rational algebraic equation because we have on the right side we have two terms, and in this case we are going to get the LCD between x squared and x. So the LCD is x squared. So we are going to multiply the whole equation by x squared. It will become 5 over x squared equals 1 over x squared plus x minus 3 over x. So multiply by the LCD x squared. So let us distribute the LCD. So it will become x squared times 5 over x squared equals x squared times 1 over x squared plus x squared times x minus 3 over x. Again, we just distribute x squared to each term. So x squared cancel out. So the remaining is 5 equals x squared cancel out. Remaining is 1 plus x squared divided by x is x. Copy x minus 3. So 5 equals 1 plus x times x, distribute. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. So let us transpose positive 5. It will become negative 5 plus 1 plus x squared minus 3x. The remaining here is 0. So 0 equals, let us write first the quadratic term, which is x squared. Next is the linear term, which is negative 3x. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So the equation is same as x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. So we are now in quadratic equation in standard form.